Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee.
Your guys' first contention about sovereignty.
Okay.
And so,
is this for con?
Yeah, it's for first con. And then if you guys, whatever you decide, if you don't want to add it to the first contention or not, then we can do the first pro contention, changing that out. And did you guys know what you wanted to change it out to?
I'm Rosana. I'm Samantha.
How long have you guys been debating?
We've been debating since 3rd grade. Yeah. And I think 4th grade for me.
How's it going?
It's going good. Yeah, we've been with Navi since 3rd grade, so yeah.
As far as the tournament today goes, how's it going?
It's been good. We won the first round.
How's your case working out?
The case is good, I feel like. I think we have a lot of impacts and evidence, and I think that's helping us as well.
Do you have any things that you want to improve on before the next round?
Maybe our rebuttals could be stronger. Yeah. I think that's better.
Yeah. Any last words?
No, I'm not.
Thank you for interviewing us.
I've been exhausted. I'm lost in my imagination. And there's one thing that I need from you.
All my kids. Okay, good job. Did a great job. Okay. So Rosana Samantha, stand up, and Ian Stanley, stand up. Brandon David, stand up. So they were debating in JV. Okay, thank you so much for your hard work. Okay, they deserve it. Oh my gosh, she came here when she was 2nd grader, was it? Right?
Still quiet, but when they came, they were mutes. So when you learn debate, you learn how to open up, you learn how to speak to people, you learn how to stare at people, you get comfortable talking in front of people. It's just a life-changing experience. I met somebody today in the library, but we started here with nothing. Because of Miss Choi, I have 3 beautiful girls. I have 20,000 beautiful children that I met, my #1 team out there. I'm just so appreciative of Navi. Without Navi, we wouldn't be here where we are today. But we do have a secret, right, Rosana?
Which one?
Rosana got into school.
Yay, which one?
So she got into my dream school for her, St. John's Pharmacy.
Yay! Congratulations! Congratulations!
I don't know if people feel that she also got into a full scholarship at Northeastern, the NU program.
Wow! Congrats!
But St. John's also got a full scholarship.
Oh, we don't care about the today's tournament results. Forget it.
She's a great friend of mine.
Okay.
Without Navi, without debate, she wouldn't have got into it.
Oh.
Her whole essay was, I love debate, I love debate, I love debate. So if anybody wants to apply for college, you write, I love debate. And you'll get it.
And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Ain't got much to do. Too old for my hometown.